going?
We're going to an adventure, right?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, but where?
It's just nearby. It's just 2 hours away from us. Right? Daddy's gonna drive. For today's video memory, we traveled from Silang to Lake Mohicap. Travel time is around 2 hours, and as you can see, slow moving traffic. And then mag-exit kayo sa Santo Tomas. So basta sinusundan lang din namin si Google Maps. And there, pag nakita nyo na yan, medyo maliit na yung daan. And here we are, Lake Mohicap. So, may dalawang gate kasi sa Lake Mohicap. So, si Kuya Darwin, sinalubong niya kami and he told us to dito kami mag-enter sa kabilang gate, which is better kasi ito na pala yung pinakamalapit doon sa kung saan kami mag-stay.
May mga kasama na po kayo?
Oo, isang sasakyan lang. Wow, Kiro! Look at the leaves falling! Come on, let's check out the place. Come here. Okay. Here! Apa. Come on, Kiro. Let's explore the place. What? Wow. Tapos ito yung taas. Wow, ito yung tulugan. Sobrang open space siya. Ang saya. Wow, look here, Kiro. I can see the lake. From up, maybe. So peaceful here. Grabe. Sarap ng hangin. Tapos, yan. No noise pollution. Only the sound of nature. Oh my gosh, super ganda dito. Kakaibang experience for the family. So, dito, pwede kaming mag-car camp. Mamaya, isi-set up namin itong car camp. Pwede kami matulog sa tent. Ito siya, from the likod. Very open area. So, if you're not fan of like this, I don't think magugustuhan mo to. But for us, nature lover, grabe. Sobra yung connection mo sa nature. Tsaka ito na yung road agad. Pag entrance mo, ito na. Pero sobrang tahimik, as in. Tapos sobrang ganda. I can hear birds chirping. Super nice. Ayan, nag-e-enjoy na sila. So, pwedeng mag-ihaw dito, pwedeng mag-kayak. Ayan, may lutuan din. May ref, may CR, complete. So, yun lang talaga. Open space siya. At saka secured kasi may CCTV camera sila. Ayun. Ayan, may CCTV camera sila. Kaya, secure yung place. And then, ayan, kayak and balsa for rent. 1,200 for 2 hours. Oh. Ito. Ito yung kabilang kanina. So, ayan yung lake. Ang saya. Ang ganda dito, guys. Ganda. Pwede mag-bonfire.
so that everybody can jump that.
What do you think of this place?
Good.
It's like a tree house, right?
Yeah.
Look at you!
There's Angel.
The view is 360 here. Full of trees and nature. See?
I can hear songs.
I like it here.
Yeah, me too. I can hear songs. I can hear songs.
Yeah. Think of this place. So nice. Huh? Right?
Yeah.
It's like we're having an adventure. We're really having an adventure, right?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let's go downstairs. Do you want to explore the place?
Anyone could jump right there.
There's a lot of tables and chairs. So kung magdami kayo, pwede just bring tent or kasya kayo sa taas. Oh, come on.
Careful, my friends.
And go. Walk there.
You can sit out here.
Yeah. You can go. Just be careful. Watch where you're going, ah.
Alright. I'll sit there, but not like.
Go in the big tree.
Let's go back.
Come on, let's salubong your sister. Don't run, huh?
Hi, here!
Luna! Hi! Look at this place! Come on! Explore! Dali! Ama,
I'm so scared!
don't be scared. Daddy's there up there. Oh, dali!
That is up there?
Yeah.
Okay. Check out the forest.
Yeah.
No, let's explore this forest.
No, Luna wants muna to... You show her what's up there. Come on.
I'm so scared.
Don't be scared.
Whoa. This is dope.
Ito yung lutuan. May hugasan. May ref. Asin. Careful ha. Slowly. Slowly. Hold. Hey. Can you please hold on?
I am holding on.
Kasi natanggal sa advance, yun ang...
I have balls. I have balls. I'm gonna get the chicky.
You cannot get the chicky. They're not our pets. Not like the one in the farm.
Mommy.
Okay. Oh, come on na. You feed the chicken. Okay.
What to do? What to do? What mine?
Little lang kasi, not all.
Oh, dali. It's kawawa. Diba like you always want to be with me? So the baby chicken always wants to be with its mommy chicken, right?
Why has a lot of mommies?
A lot of mommies? No, it's auntie, like Tati. Diba you have Tati?
Yeah.
Oh, the baby chicken also have Tati, like that.
I love the taffy.
You want your honey.
Bili tayo.
Ubusin na daddy mo yan.
Magluto na kami. Lunch.
Make a trail.
Pag tinola.
Wow, daming bawang, sarap. Sarap. Spicy ang ating adobo for today's video by our chef.
See, sleepy.
Yeah.
Look off. It's color blue.
I can hear the bird.
It's pink by.
Wow, ang ganda ng adobo. Kulay orange. Akala kasi nila paminta yung atsuete pala. Ite. Color key. Kaya naman, ganyan ang adobo. Nalinlang ka ng atswete.
Hindi naman ako bumili.
Ang paglagay mo, hindi ako napansin atswete.
Kaya nakapansin na, ay, atswete yan eh. Kaya pala sabi niya, hindi naman durog eh.
What are you gonna do?
I'm making that milk with the ice.
Dutch milk with ice. Okay, do you need help?
No, I don't need it because I'm a big girl.
You're a big girl. Okay. Let me see. Oh, you know what to do?
Yeah.
And then?
Pour it in.
Mm-hmm. Is it done?
Yeah.
Is it done? But you made a mess. But it's okay.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, are you done?
Yeah. But I can finish it.
Mm.
Yummy.
Is it yummy?
I do it by my own.
Did it by your own?
This one. It will be perfect.
Okay. Mm.
Put the dapnac here.
Okay.
All my mess.
Okay.
Clean. Nose.
Very good. This is my 3-year-old daughter cleaning up her mess.
Sangat ko to. Sa pagka...
Hmm? It's yummy? Can you show us where we are? Oh no. Can you show us where we are?
We in the jungle.
We're in the jungle? Where's the jungle?
Here. But I think,
We're in the jungle?
it's here.
You cook it by yourself?
Yeah.
Huh? Let me see.
Yeah.
Where did you cook it?
Lolo Donnie is still good.
Lunch is ready. And can you show us where we're going to eat? Come on. Wow. It's so nice to eat here.
Okay. I'll just go.
Is it so nice to eat here?
I'm gonna be beside Mama.
Okay. Wow. I thought you were gonna eat by yourself. Kiro.
Careful.
What?
2 days we're gonna go home.
You wanna stay here 2 more days?
2 days.
Yeah. We're gonna stay here 2 days. Today and tomorrow.
Can you help me?
Okay, Pi. Let's get close to ice. Let's do this. This is I need a pillow. Tuna.
Ready?
Yeah.
What are you going to do?
We're going to the beach.
Is this a beach?
No.
It's not a beach. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come here, Kira.
We're ready.
Hey.
Hi.
Look at your face.
Wow.
Uy.
Luna.
Uy, uy.
Yan na. Tulog na yan. Uy.
Oh, Luna. Naglolo ka na po.
It's a prank pala.
Ang galing mo talaga, girl. Baby, look nga. Ikaw dito. Baby.
Hindi makain nga. Sabi ko.
Kung ganito yung pinalakhan natin, why not? hindi na tayo ganito lumaki.
Kasi hindi mainit.
I want you to come here.
What?
Like,
You're gonna teach Lola how to swim?
like that in the water.
Daddy will swim na. Dali naman, swim ka na daw.
Toy.
Totoy.
Toy.
Ate mo how to swim, oh.
Oh, dali na yan na.
Thank you.
Ano kaya yun? Oh, Lola will go na. Oh, dali na.
I want to go to the bath.
Oh, dali na ba? You're helping Daddy?
Itawan mo, lulutang mo. What?
See? You know how to swim? Oh, go na there. Yeah, babalik yan dito, ma. Luna! Girl.
Luna nga kit swim.
Bye, Luna.
Bye. Say bye, bye, Mommy.
Luna.
Marunong na, marunong na.
Bigyan mo baby, magkakaroon.
Ah, sige.
Hold that. Here. Come on, hold.
Dapat pala
Hold.
gamit mo.
Ayan, so here we are in Lake Mohicap and super enjoy kami with the family. So, ayan. So, makikita nyo sila. Ayan sila. Nag-swing sila. JP. And ayan yung view namin ngayon. So, enjoy talaga yung family dito sa Lake Mohicap. And thank you so much to Gamo family and especially to Ate Whitney sa pag-invite sa amin dito. And sobrang ganda dito. As in, nakaka-relax. As in, breathtaking. Kakaiba naman siyang experience kasi we're always on the beach. Our family always go to the beach. And ito, kakaibang experience naman siya. Sa Lake Yex, hindi ka na makaakyat. Mga anak ko, enjoy. She's 3 and he's 5. And they love it kasi sanay naman sila maligo sa dagat. So ito, kakaiba naman. Hindi masakit sa mata, hindi maalat yung tubig, kaya enjoy. So yan. We'll stay the night. We'll stay for the night here. So andun kami. Doon kami galing sa kabilang, doon kami nagstay. So dito lang kami dinala ngayon for our stopover for this afternoon sa aming activity ng balsa. This is pala 1,200 pesos for 6 packs. Good for 2 hours na siya na parang tour around this lake. And ayan. Etong kayak naman is 250 pesos. Good for 2 na yan. So,
Oo.
oh. Diba? So, bagong ligo lang ulit from the lake kami, naligo. Ayan. Anticipate nyo lang, since open area siya and of course, magubat, forest. Anticipate nyo na madami talagang insects. So, bring insect repellent. And, ayan. Naka long sleeves and pajamas na sila. So, ayan ang Lake Mohicap at night. And ang saya ng chandelier nila dito, di ba? Amazing. Oh, di ba? May chandelier kami. Wow!
It's a ton.
Is it? It's a chandelier. Say chandelier.
Who bought that for us?
Say chandelier.
Chandelier. Chandelier.
Oh, they are at night and they're enjoying the kulambo, the mosquito net for the night. Though mahangin naman, so I doubt na may mga mosquito, but there are mosquito sa baba. Pero dito kasi mahangin sa taas. So they're enjoying it. Each bed has its own hook para sa mosquito net. So this one dala namin kasi just in case, of course, prepared kami palagi when we're going outside like this. But each bed yan, may hook yan. And they provide mosquito net.
Something hulog.
Yeah, it's okay.
Did it?
And
Close that.
you can see, ayan, kita pa rin yung lake and super nice talaga.
Close.
Like that. Ayan siya. Provided naman tayo ng mga string lights here and there. And now they're preparing our dinner. Nag-prepare kami ng pang barbecue. So, ayan. Pwede kayo mag-car cup. Actually, hindi pa namin set up yung car cup namin dahil sobrang excited kami to, to relax and enjoy this place. So, yun muna kasi magre-relax muna kami ng mga kiddos. Wow, we have sungka. I will teach you how to play sungka. Very good.
Nanggigigil.
Asan? Joke lang pala. Asan? Natingin?
Ads lang pala.
Ads lang. Asan?
Diba?
Morning.
Wow. Like what?
You wanna go in?
It's adventure.
Adventure time.
You see introduction.
Introduction. No, tell.
Say something about,
Say that. Tell them where we're going.
welcome to your vlog, and we're about to enter the cave.
Careful with the cellphone. Ala, daddy. The princess. Ayan na nga. Just...
Sir, yuko po muna kayo para...
Okay.
Go with me.
Yes, you
Go with me.
duck.
Come
Your
on.
head, by your head. Watch your head.
Come here, Rodney.
Watch your head.
Oh no, what's the...
Oh, there's a bat. Yeah, you see the bat?
That's a bat. I saw the real life bat.
Sabi po, sabi.
Ito.
Ito po na mesa.
I'll show you some. Go there, go.
Go, Luna. One. Wow.
Baby shark. The head of the shark.
Baby.
You want banana? Everything? Banana?
kuya. Bumitaw ka na kay kuya. Bitaw, oh. Ready? Sigaw ka muna, sigaw. Gagawin sa ato.
Video.
Kita naman yan dito sa dito.
Ayun na, thank you ah.
Okay po sir, sige, babalitaan ko kayo pag meron po yung
Sige.
bibili din eh.
Thank you.
Tatawag po ang kapitang sa inyo.
Thank you, Kuya Darwin.
Biyahe.